Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to my channel Math Learning Tutorials. So students, we have discussed about polynomials in previous video. So students, you can find the previous videos in playlist. Okay, so today we are going to learn about zeros of a polynomial. So students, what is a polynomial? An algebraic expression which contains variables with non-negative integrals powers is called polynomial. Okay. Now zeros of a polynomial. So students, like zeros means if you take the polynomial in one variable. Okay, if you take polynomial in one variable x, suppose. Okay, so here the value of x which makes the polynomial value as 0 is called zero of polynomial. So you take one polynomial p of x. Okay, so the value of x which makes the polynomial is equal to 0. So which makes the expression 0 is called zero of a polynomial. Suppose I am taking one polynomial p of x is equal to x plus 1. Suppose I am taking x is equal to negative 1. Okay. So students, one more concept. So suppose p of x is a given polynomial. Okay. So if you substitute x is equal to some real number a, okay, then p of a is value of polynomial p of x is equal to a. Okay, if p of x is a given polynomial and if you are replacing x value, so variable x with a real number a, then p of a is called value of given polynomial p of x at x is equal to a. Suppose p of x is equal to, I am taking x plus 2, I am taking x is equal to 1. So it can be written as p of 1 that is equal to 1 plus 2 which gives you 3. Okay, so here this 3 is p of 1. Okay, so p of 1 value is 3. Okay, so 3 is value of p of x at x is equal to 1. So students, here p of x is equal to x plus 1 is the polynomial. So if I take x is equal to negative 1, what is my answer? So find p of minus 1. So p of minus 1 means just we are replacing x values with this negative 1. So negative 1 instead of x I am writing negative 1 plus 1. So what is negative 1 plus 1 value? 0. Okay. So what happened here? X is equal to minus 1. So like it's making our expression x plus 1 as 0. Okay. So here we can say x is equal to minus 1 is 0 of the polynomial x plus 1. Okay. Zeros are also called solutions, okay, or roots. Okay. And students, any polynomial you take, it will have number of zeros equal to at most degree. Okay. Any polynomial will have number of zeros equal to at most its degree. Okay, so students, means mostly linear equations will have only 1 zero, quadratic equations 2 zeros, cubic 3, okay, and biquadratic 4, like that. So students, suppose I am taking here linear polynomial ax plus b where a is not equal to 0. Now I want to find the zero of linear polynomial ax plus b. So students, to find the zero, we need to equate the given polynomial to 0. So here ax plus b is equal to 0. So students, what is the difference between ax plus b and ax plus b is equal to 0? Yes, that is equation. This is polynomial. This is equation. Okay. So means what is an equation? An algebraic expression which contains equality symbol is called equation. Okay. So students, here we are finding the zero of ax plus b. So to find the zero, first we have to equate this expression to 0. Now So we learned equation solving in class 8, so that we have to follow. So we need to solve this equation. So while solving the equation, plus becomes minus, into becomes by, okay, and minus become plus, and division becomes into. So here ax is equal to plus b becomes minus b, and x is equal to into becomes by, so minus b by a. So students, just verify so whether it is 0 of this expression or not. A into minus b by a plus b. So a ones are a ones are. So brackets represents multiplication, students. So minus b plus b value 0. So at x is equal to minus b by a, we are getting this polynomial value as 0. So therefore minus b by a is zero of the linear polynomial ax plus b. So students, now let's see problems on zeros of a polynomials. Let's see problem number 1. Find the values of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 when x is equal to 0, x is equal to -1, x is equal to 2, and x is equal to half. So students, I am solving here. See, first name it. So name the given polynomial as p of x. Okay, so students, generally we represent the polynomials with p of x, q of x, g of x, h of x, r of x, etc. Okay, so p of x is equal to 4x square minus 5x plus 3. So students, now they are asking us to find the values at, first one is what? At x is equal to 0. It means we have to take p of 0. So just replace x with 0. So p of 0 is equal to, wherever x is there, just you replace it with 0. So 4 into 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 3. So students, 4 into 0 square is 0. 4 into 0 is 0. Okay, so 0 minus 5 into 0 is 0 plus 3. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 plus 3 is 3. So at x is equal to 0, value of that polynomial is 3. Now look at the second problem in first bit. So students, at x is equal to -1. So p of -1 is equal to 4 into -1 square minus 5 into -1 plus 3. So 4 into -1 square. So students, -1 to the power of 2 gives us +1. Minus into minus plus. So 4 into 1 minus into minus plus 5 into 1 is 5 plus 3. So what is the answer? 4 ones are 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4 plus 5 plus 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So okay, so at x is equal -1, value of the polynomial p of x is 12. Now look at the third. X is equal to 2. So find p of 2 value. 4 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 3. Okay, so that is equal 4 into 2 square value 4. So minus into plus minus, 5 2s are 10 plus 3. So brackets represent multiplication. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 10 plus 3. So students, 16 minus 10 plus 3 is there. 16 minus 10 value 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Or else we can do like this also. Add positive. 16 plus 3, 19. Subtract. 19 minus 10 is 9. Okay. So value of p of x at x is equal to is 9. Now look at the last problem in first bit. X is equal to half. Okay. So 1 by 2. So now p of 1 by 2 is equal. Just replace x with half. 4 into 1 by 2 square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 3. So students, this is 4 into 1 by 2 square value is what? 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Minus 5 into 1 by 2 is what? 5 by 2 plus 3. So 4 ones are 4 ones are. So students, 1 is here, 3 is here, 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 minus 5 by 2. I added positive numbers. 1 ones are 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 5 by 2. 4 can be written as 4 by 1, right? Now take the LCM or cross multiplication. 4 into 2 is what? 8 minus 5 into 1 is what? 5 by 1 into 2 is 2. So that is equal 3 by 2. So value of p of x at x is equal 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Students, Now let's see problem number 2. Find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. So first problem in second bit is P of x is equal x square minus x plus 1. So students, what they are asking us to find? P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. So just we need to replace value of x with these values, children. That's it. So P of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So that is equal to 0 square value is what? 0 only. Minus 0 plus 1. 0 minus 0 is 0 only. 0 plus 1? 1. Now P of 1. So P of 1 is 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So what is the value of 1 square? 1. 1 minus 1 plus 1. So students, 1 minus 1 means you can cancel it. Means 1 minus 1 nothing but 0. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. Now P of 2. Okay. So 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square value is 4 minus 2 plus 1. So students, here see 4 minus 2 plus 1 is there. So do one thing, children. Add 4 and 1. Why? Because in front of 4 nothing there means it is positive 4, positive 1. 4 plus 1 is what? 5 minus 2. As this you take 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So students, here some students are like doing mistake. 2 plus 1 they are like taking, even though minus is there, they are taking like 2 plus 1 3. That's wrong. So please, when expression is having negative numbers and positive numbers, first add all positives, add all negatives, then simplify. So 4 plus 1, 5, minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. Yeah. So students, now second problem, P of y is equal to 2 plus y plus 2y square minus y cube. So we need to find P of 0 first. So P of 0 is equal to 2 plus y is what? 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. So 2 plus 0 value is 0 only. 2 into 0 square, that is also 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Minus 0 cube also 0. So 2 plus 0 is, so children, here we are adding and subtracting 0, then there is no change in this number. So directly you can write it as 2. Now P of 1. So that is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. So that is equal to 2 is 2 only. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square. 1 square value 1 and 2 ones are 2. Minus 1 cube value, like minus 1 cube value, 1 cube value is 1 only. So minus of plus 1 is minus 1 only. So children, see here, all these are positive. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, so now P of 2. So P of 2 is 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. So students, that is equal to 2 plus 2, okay, plus 2 square value is what? 4, no? Again in front 2 is there. 2 bracket of 4 is what? 8. 2 4s are 8. So here plus 8 minus 2 cube. 2 cube value 8. And minus of plus 8 is minus 8 only. So minus 8 plus 8 you can cancel, children. So 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Okay. Yeah. Now children, question number 3. P of z is equal to z cube. So P of 0 is equal to, so children, just you replace value of z, variable z with 0. So that is equal to 0 cube. 0 cube is 0 only. Now P of 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 cube. 1 cube value is 1. Okay. And P of 2. P of 2 is 2 cube, that is equal to 8. Okay. Now let's see problem number 4. So P of t is equal to t minus 1 into t plus 1. So students, first we need to find P of 0. So that is 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. So students, 0 minus 1 value is what? Minus 1. 0 plus 1 value is 1. Negative 1 into positive 1, negative 1. So minus into plus is minus. Now P of 1. So that is 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 value is 0. 0 into 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 0 into anything is 0. Okay, so students, did you observe one thing? At t is equal to 1, we are getting p of t as 0. It means t is equal to 1 is 0 of this polynomial. Okay, now come to the p of 2. So p of 2 is equal to 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 1 value is what? 1 into 2 plus 1 value 3. 1 3s are 3. Okay. So students, p of 2 value 3. So next this problem. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. So students, first we need to find p of 0, that is 0 square minus 3 into 0 plus 2. So 0 square value is 0 minus 3 into 0 is 0 plus 2. So 0 minus 0 plus 2 means 2 is the answer. Now p of 1. So students, just you replace the variable x with 1. So that is 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. So 1 square is 1 minus 3 ones are 3 plus 2. So students, here what are the positive numbers? 1 and 2. So 2 plus 1 is what? 3 and negative 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So students, observe at x is equal to 1, we got p of x value as 0. So we can tell this x is equal to 1 is 0 of the polynomial. Now find p of 2. So p of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. So 2 square value 4 minus 3 into 2 is what? Negative 6 plus 2. So students, add positives. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So students, even x is equal to 2 also giving us 0. So to this p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, x is equal to 1 also 0 and x is equal to 2 also 0. So already we discussed, polynomial will have mostly number of zeros equal to its degree. Degree is what? To this polynomial 2. So it has 2 zeros. Okay. So students, in this way we will solve this problem. Students, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, please put in comment section. And students, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.